Hey guys, it's Justin answering your questions from joincfe.com/knock. Milan wants to know more about model managers and more specifically passing arguments in model managers. Like how do you do it or how do you understand it a little bit better? Now, when you're defining model managers and you're building your own custom manager, it's your own custom Python method or your own function that you've written in Python. So what you actually put in there, the only real requirement is self. So the instance itself, you have to use that inside of a class because that's a property of using a method inside of a class or a function inside of a class. So when you actually add your own parameters into that model manager, you can add as many or as few as you'd like. The more you add, the more robust you can make it when you use it. So when you're doing model.objects.yourCustomManager, and then you can pass those arguments in there. Hopefully that answers your question. I think that's what you're going after, but basically model managers allow you to work with the model on like in a shortcut, right? You can use it as a shortcut or convenience methods that you define yourself. And the reason you use a model manager is because then once you get in the practice of using model managers, then you would use it all the time. And then you'll always know, hey, if I want to see the available methods that I have in my model manager, you can always look there. Meaning in your, like if you were using a model in your view and you wanted to do something like filter by an instance or filter by a user, for example. If you had a specific thing for that, let's say for instance, you filtered it by the user, but you also wanted to make sure that the posts were marked as active. So like, active equals to true. You might have a model manager for that specifically. And when you get in the habit of building your model managers, then in your view, you won't build a function that does that. You take that logic out of there and you keep it in the model manager because that will help you working with those sorts of things. Hopefully that answers your question. If not, please ask more questions at joincfe.com/knock. Again, my name is Justin. Thanks for watching.